Hello friends, Classic Movies, yes, MCH Snow here. Sorry for not making a video of such a long time because I've been very sick. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing video of a package I got from Petsies. It was supposed to be a late Christmas gift that I didn't show in the video, but I'm gonna cut open this box with this knife. So here we go. Okay. Okay, I think I got it. Oh my gosh! This looks just like my... Oh my gosh, this is my clone. Looks exactly like my cat Mabel. Here's the tag. I may write down the cat's name. It's so cute. It looks exactly like her. Perfect condition. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Thanks for watching.